Hello, mister.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Abdullah.
Okay, Abdullah, where from?
I am from Tajikistan.
Do you like Tajikistan?
Yes, I like Tajikistan.
Where do you live in Tajikistan?
I live in Munobot.
Okay, what's the name of your village?
I village.
My village name? Sarmaydon Delolovod.
My village in Sarmaydon.
Sarmaydon, okay. Do you go by taxi?
Yes, I buy a taxi.
No, I mean, do you go by taxi?
Yes.
I go
I go
by
taxi.
taxi, okay.
By taxi.
Do you go to school in the morning or in the evening?
In the morning.
In the morning, okay. What form are you in? What class are you in? I am
I am five.
5 class, right?
5 class.
Okay. And do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Do you read English books?
Yes, I read books.
English books.
English books.
Do you speak English with your brother?
Yes, I speak in
English?
English in
With my
Japan.
brother, okay. That's nice. Where is your father? Your father is in Tajikistan or another country?
In country.
Another country.
In another country.
Speak up, okay? Another country, okay? That's nice.